Ronald Tae Sok Kim is an American politician from New York City. He serves in the New York State Assembly representing the 40th District, which includes portions of Whitestone, Flushing, College Point, and Murray Hill in Queens. First elected in November 2012, Kim became the first Korean American elected in New York State. Speaker Carl Heastie appointed him as vice chair of the Majority Conference of the New York State Assembly in January 2017 and chair of Committee on Aging in January 2021. Kim comes from a Korean American family who immigrated to Queens when he was 7. The only child of Seo Jun Kim and Sun Hee Kim, he grew up in Flushing, Queens. He graduated from the Riverdale Country Day School in the Bronx in 1997, where he was captain of the football and track teams. He later earned his Bachelor of Arts from Hamilton College, where he continued his football career on the varsity team. He received his master's in public administration from Barrett College as part of the National Urban Fellows program. Kim began his career in public service in then Councilmember John Liu's office, focusing on quality of life issues in the Flushing community. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.